Diana Pardini. She's with the San Francisco Chocolate Factory. She's going to tell us a little bit about their special chocolates that they're offering here today at the show and what they can offer for your winery. Diana, what can you tell us?
Hey there, everyone. Great to be here at the Win Show. We are the San Francisco Chocolate Factory, and we feature our Wine Lovers Chocolate Collection. We have lots of chocolate and suggested wine pairings that go with those chocolates. We have our signature line, but the cornerstone of our Wine Lovers Chocolate is our custom label program. This is a small example of some of the wineries we currently work with. We can take your label, your information, you pick the chocolate, we create a special branded product just for you.
That is so fun, Diana. And you have milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and then also chocolates that will have wine and infused in them, or
we
no?
We actually don't do wine-infused chocolate.
Okay.
We just, for our wine chocolate pairings, we like to keep it pure. Just pure chocolate to go with the wine.
Oh, it's excellent, by the way. We've tried it, and it's very good. So they can buy it by a case, it sounds like, and they sell them in...
Absolutely. They can buy it by the case. We sell that. A lot of my wine club members use this as a gift for their wine club members as a thank you for their purchases. It's great for event giveaways as well. You can order by the case. You can give us a call directly or look us up online.
And what's the website that they would find you at?
We can be found at the San Francisco chocolatefactory.com.
Wonderful. Thank you, Diana, for sharing your wonderful chocolates with us.
Thanks so much.
Love it.